Alright guys, today's shout out goes to Bearded Daddy D. He's got lots of racing videos. He's got a couple of him and I and different clips of his Prairie 650. Big bore kit, big cams. Go check it out. We got this Kymco 450. We're gonna do an oil change on. You obviously need a drain pan, a funnel. We need about 3 quarts of oil. The engine takes about 2.5 quarts. Oil filter, some way to get that filter off. I like using this claw, and then a 19mm socket to get that drain plug out. We're trying to sneak underneath the quad to get a nice video of this 19mm drain plug. Like I said, it's 19 mil. This one had some sealant on the thread, so it was kind of tight all the way out until I got it right to the end. You don't need that kind of sealant on these things. Usually just the copper washer that's on there, that'll seal it up. But either way, got this thing out, let it drain. Remember, if you did warm the engine up, it will be hot coming out. The dipstick is hiding directly behind this panel on the left side of the quad. You don't need to have any special tools to remove these filters, but they do get tight. So having this claw just makes life a lot easier. But if you're strong enough, you can just break it loose with your hand. We got the oil filter out of that guy. Now we just need to put the drain plug back in since it's done draining before we put the new filter back on it. I am running a 1/2-inch drive ratchet, so just be very mindful. Don't over tighten these things. Just get it snug. I do see people commenting about making sure the oil filters are filled up with oil before you install them. Here's the deal. This one is it's difficult, right? Make sure you lube up that O-ring, but when you put this on, if it's completely full, it'll just drain right back out because it's going at a 90-degree angle. Now, if the filter is going straight up, that's a different story. We got the drain plug tightened up, new oil filter installed. Now we just got to put the oil in. Again, this thing takes about 2.5 quarts, so put 2 quarts in it, check the oil level. Mine was right on the low mark, so we added 1/2 quart. We're good to go. Fire the engine back up, let it get warm a little bit, double check the oil when you're all done. If you're right in between the high and low, you're good to go. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to leave me in the comment section below. We're going to do a couple more videos on this Kymco, so if you like it, just stay tuned. And as always, guys, God bless.